Well, good morning. This is a skid steer implement that I've been wanting for probably better part of a year now. It is an articulating brush mower. You can see that it will pivot from left to right, and then here it'll pivot from vertical beyond horizontal. Be good for mowing tank dams and stuff like that. Probably hadn't seen one this color because I did paint the covers Kubota orange. It was a auction purchase from Wichita Falls, G auction, and it is a landowner. It seems to be it's a Chinese built equipment, but it seems to be built a little bit stouter than some of the others I've looked at. It's got double beveled blades so you can run it forwards or reverse. This is reinforced pretty good. Obviously I went through and I checked all of the bolts, hydraulics, and everything seems to be tight. I didn't have any leaks, but let's go cut some brush, see what happens.